Hello, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to use Creately to create a diagram. First, you want to go, once you open your browser, you want to go on your address bar and type creately.com. Once the website opens, you need to log in, and I'm already logged in, and you're going to click on Go to the app. Once the app is loaded, you're gonna see the main page for the Creately app where you can start working on your diagram. From here, you want to click on Open New Document, and you're gonna find your main working space. On the left, you're gonna find your different elements to create your diagram, your basic shapes, your arrows, your block shapes, and more. So if you want to use one of the basic shapes, you're gonna drag it into you're gonna click on it and you're gonna drag it into your main working area. And if you want to fill it, you can pick a color. Let's say you want to use blue, and it's gonna turn blue. Then you're gonna start typing, and the text will just appear. So let's pick a color. Let's pick black. Starbucks SWOT analysis. There you have your title, and you want to make it more visible. Then you want to pick your error. You're going to drag it into your working space, and your error will appear. If you want to use your commands to copy this same shape, you're going to press Command Copy and then Command V, and you're going to paste the same error to start creating your second element for your diagram. And in here, we're going to talk about the strengths. And you're going to start typing the different strengths that you found on your case. If you want to repeat the same steps, you're going to use Command Copy, then Command V, and it's going to paste the same shape. You can use the same with your error, Command Copy and Command V, and you're going to use the same error so you're consistent on your diagram format. Once you're done with your diagram, you want to change this to the title, weaknesses. Once you're done with your diagram, you can export your diagram, or you can share your diagram. So if you decided to share it, you can get a copy link to your diagram that it will be generated, and you can paste it into your document, or you can also email it to someone. So I hope this video has been useful and you started creating your diagrams using Creately. See you next time.